JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink and remove your bank account from your Chime. In this video, I'll show you how to remove and unlink your bank from Chime. So here, all you have to do is go to the Chime application or Chime website right here, and then go to your account. And then here, as you can see, you will have to go to settings and then linked accounts. From there, click unlink, and then whatever account you want to unlink from the Chime checking account, just press unlink. And the same page, you can also click a link a new account if you want to relink that deleted account. It's just that simple. So if you're using the Chime mobile app as seen right here, this is the official page of the Chime. So tap the gear icon and the open settings. So it's going to be in the top left corner, and then tap linked accounts, then tap the three dots to delete. And it's just that simple. There's no big fuss about it. It's just that simple. Just 3 steps on that. So there you go, guys. That's how you unlink and remove your bank account from Chime. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.